Now we're going to do the scale, copy, and paste lesson. So we're first going to drag the cylinder in. Going to drag a second cylinder in. And then it says drag the dot, the white dot on the shape down to make it 15 millimeters. So I'm going to tilt this because otherwise I worry I'm going to grab the wrong one. And I'm lowering it down to 15. Next, we're going to drag in a third cylinder. And, another thing it shows you over here is you can press Control C and Control V, just like we do on the keyboard for other things, to copy and paste the same object if you'd like. Now we're going to drag the white dot down to 10 millimeters. And there we go, we're done.